Hi everyone, I will be explaining to you how to upload the photos that you took from when you went to the park or to your backyard onto our class Padlet. So what you should do is, after watching this video, click on this link. It will take you to our class Padlet that looks like this. Here you have 3 columns. The first column is where you will place the photo of the outside space you observed, whether that was the park or your backyard. The second column is the selfie that you will take of you being in that space. The third one is a photo of at least one organism or living thing that you observed while you were out in your observation. So I'm going to upload a picture to this column of the organism that I observed. You should have the photo already saved on your desktop. You will click here on the plus, then here on the 3 dots next to the camera, and then you will hit upload. Then you will click and drag that photo that you have on your desktop onto this section here, and your picture would appear here under the column. So here I would write the organism I observed was an ant with a cicada. Then here you will put your name and which block or period you are part of, so we know from which class the picture belongs to. If for whatever reason you cannot figure out how to upload the photo, just go ahead and type in what you saw. So the organism that I observed was an ant and a cicada. And again, type in your name. Sorry about that. And the block that you are from. Please be ready to have your photos to be shared during our online live lesson. It's okay if you can upload it here, but be ready to have them shared when we do go on class online. If you have any questions, please contact me or contact Ms. Chavarria. We will be more than happy to help you, and have fun observing interactions. Bye.